याद है ये वही हैं जिन्होंने पिछले वीडियो में रेज्यूमे बनाना सीखा था। देखिए, अच्छा है ना। फिर काफ़ी रिक्रूटर्स के कॉल भी आए और बात आगे भी बढ़ी, बट अचानक बात रुक सी गई। अब आप पूछेंगे कि क्या हुआ? होना क्या था, मैडम ने पोर्टफोलियो बनाया ही नहीं, भेजती कैसे?
In our last portfolio video, we told you all about creating an online portfolio, but you're requested for a step-by-step design guide, and your wish is our command. If you haven't watched our previous portfolio guide, you can watch it right here. But to revise a little bit, a portfolio is an instrument or a document that showcases your best work for you. It is the end game that will seal the deal for you by convincing your recruiter that you're the one for the job. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Step 1. Gather the content. Create a new folder on your computer and gather all the ingredients that you need to make a portfolio. You'll need an attractive logo, a catchy opener, an About Me section, your best work, a one-page resume, some testimonials, your true contact details, and lots of relevant images and creatives. You'll need these before you go on to create an account on any of the portfolio hosting websites like Weebly, WordPress, or Wix.com. Over here, we're using Wix because of its user-friendly interface. But if you're comfortable with something else, please go ahead with that. Step 2. Open an account on Wix.com. The very first page will ask you what kind of site you want to create, and you can select on Portfolio and CV. Wix will then ask you to choose between letting them create a website for you through its ADI, which is the Artificial Design Intelligence, or choose a template and BYOW, which means build your own website. If your work will speak the best for you in a no-fuss design way, then go ahead with the ADI. But अगर आपका काम design sensitive है, तो आप please अपना website खुद design कीजिए. For this video, we are going to let Wix.com's ADI do the magic for us. It will then ask you about your intent and profession. Mine is video, so I'm selecting that, और आप अपना इस drop-down menu पर choose कर सकते हैं. Then just fill out the basic details in subsequent forms. Step 3. Set the design tone. After you've uploaded your logo here, Wix will give you the option to create a color palette using the colors from the logo. We advise that you choose that option for a uniform look throughout the website and a brand identity with a recall value. इसके बाद आपको 3 टेम्पलेट्स के ऑप्शन दिए जाएंगे और आपको जो भी फॉर्मेट अपील करे उसे सिलेक्ट कीजिए. We would advise you to choose the least cluttered of all. Select these tabs one by one, and yes, do select the blank one. We'll use that for testimonials and rename it later. And just like that, Wix will collate all of your answers and build a website for you in minutes. And don't worry, अगर आपको कुछ पसंद नहीं आया तो आप आगे जाके उसको बदल सकते हैं. Step 4. Upload and edit. Now that the basic structure of your website is ready, all you have to do is hover over all the elements and change them as per your liking. Here I'm changing my opening zinger and the landing page image. We advise you to use high resolution images with a smaller size. And please avoid using GIFs as much as you can. Instead, head to Canva and design your own images and creatives from there. And since your website is going to be heavy on images, you don't want it to take forever to load. The ideal time for a website to load is just 1 to 2 seconds. So I'm just quickly adding a picture of me in the About Me section and the text I've decided on. यहाँ पर मैं अपने career journey, experiences, vision और purpose के बारे में बात करूँगी. Moving on to the selected work tab, we want to reiterate on the fact that keep your best work and your lifelong work segregated. अगर कोई potential employer के पास ज़्यादा time नहीं है, they can just jump to your selected work and take a call on hiring you. Similarly, अपना बाकी का काम यहाँ ऐड कीजिए. Testimonials or contact यहाँ पर. You can use creatives for testimonials, just like I have done here. In case you wish to change the fonts, the colors or literally anything at all, ऊपर जाके टैब में आप ये सब कर सकते हैं. Step 5. Final check and publish. Before you go on to publish your portfolio website, please double check again and again that all the links, all the interactive elements are working properly and the site is not taking more than 2 seconds to load. Designing a portfolio is a time-taking process, so give yourself at least a month's deadline before you go on to publish it. And once you're ready, choose a URL here and publish. It wasn't that difficult, right? हम सब लेजी होकर रेज्यूमे और पोर्टफोलियो जैसे इंपॉर्टेंट जॉब विनिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स को इग्नोर करते हैं. and that's where we go wrong. You can also join the Cool Kanya Women Only Career Community to ask and answer questions, grow your professional network, and build a career you love. Check out the description to know how to join. And if you found this video helpful, then like, comment, share, and subscribe to Cool Kanya. And let us know in the comments what more you would like to watch. And until next time, raise your power.